Hello, hello. We're closer with the build. Papers are signed. Land surveyor measured where I have to dig and where I have to build the house. So what he does is he measures where the middle line is of the wall. So if your wall is like 25 centimeters thick, then 12.5 centimeters that way and 12.5 centimeters that way. My foundation, my concrete footing is 60, so that's 30 that way, 30 that way. And then I have to dig it all out and put a plank on the wall, so the top layer of the concrete is totally flat. Yeah, to build after that the whole wall. So yeah, for that I have to drive in at least 200 of those sticks, and I made a nice jig for that, and I think that's the only interesting part, because everything is like repetition. 200 times this, 200 times that. So yeah, let's see. So this is the jig that I made. I just stole the idea from YouTube, and basically what it does is it holds the two sticks up, and you need a little bit of play. And the reason this really is handy is because if you don't, you end up with one that goes in the ground like this and the other one like that. And the next step is to put a plank here that supports the plank for the concrete, because here I will pour concrete. I have to dig this out, and then 10 or 20 centimeters will be in the air, so that needs to be supported, and that's why those two needs to be a little bit parallel. Doesn't have to be perfect, but a little bit will help you later. And this is the first time I made the jig, and the first time I do this or anything, so probably goes wrong. Okay. You don't see it, but I've seen better. So it's not perfect. It's a bit that way, but they are parallel, and that's the more important one. Because the next step is they screw this against it to the line, and then it can support the wall here. That's that. So not a disaster, but I will pay more attention on the leveling. So, second attempt. I also made a measurement stick. I have 3 measurements that are important. 130, that's the yellow wire till the bottom of what I have to dig. 1 meter is the distance between those sticks. And 90 will be the yellow line till the top of the foundation. Okay, so meter. It doesn't have to be super precise, but okay. Put 2 in. That made it even worse. Okay. They're strong in the ground though. Let's just continue. Let's attempt it a third time. Why not? Why not? Maybe I should start gently and later smash. So I think that is how to do it. A little bit less rough at the beginning. When it gets stiffer, you can bang it. So, like 100 times to go. I'm not into repetitive jobs, that's not really what I like, but hey, the first time, and then I only have to do it once for a house I'm gonna build, but hey, we'll see. thanks for watching. My GoPro battery is dead, so this is my phone. And can you see it? Yeah. I almost did one row. So it's less work than I expected actually. I thought hammering them in will take me a week or something. But this was an hour? So it's quite good. Anyway, thanks for watching. This will be short episodes. Sometimes maybe longer, sometimes much shorter. It depends on what I'm doing. If it's repetitive, I'm not gonna make it an hour, and if it's complex, I maybe make it longer.